So it's for time, guys. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put hoisin sauce. Sprinkle a little bit. Sprinkle. Not too much. Maybe. And
You gotta do the Vietnamese.
you want to do sriracha. Sriracha, you want to put like,
You want the day.
you want to do sriracha, a little bit of sriracha, okay?
Yeah.
And
I mean what?
you want to do the garlic paste, a little bit, garlic paste a little bit, okay? You want to do is put chili oil. You want to put like a teaspoon. That, okay? Like that. You want to put the veggie, and voila, pho. It has to be this red.